In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily convert any picture to portrait on an iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, guys, and the first off we need to open up Photos app, and then we just need to select a picture that we would like to convert to portrait. This picture for sure wasn't taken in portrait mode, and now I'm going to show you how we can easily fix that. To do that, we just need to activate edit mode, and that's where at the very top we can easily find this portrait button, and we can easily convert any picture to a portrait by tapping right here. And as you can see, now the person here still sharp, however the background is now blurred and it was detected automatically. However, here we can change the main object. If we, let's say, select background, it will keep it sharp, but it will blur the objects that are currently closer to us. So by doing it in that way, we can select the main objects that need to be sharp, that need to be in focus actually. And then down below here we can change depth. That's how we can decrease it, and by dragging it right there we can increase it. So as you can see now, the background is highly blurred and the person is still sharp. Now guys, to save the changes, all we have to do is just hit add done. As you can see, all the changes were successfully applied to our picture, and that's basically how we can easily convert any image to portrait. If this video was helpful for you, don't forget to hit the like button.